Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Javen Postal, and today on the grill we're making a sticky and delicious honey sriracha sauce that you're gonna love. And just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the sauce. So this honey sriracha sauce has a real great balance of sweet and spicy components all coming together to really enhance whatever kind of dish you're going to be putting it on. So to begin making your sauce, you're only going to need 4 things. We have some honey, some sriracha, a little bit of soy sauce, and an optional lime. And so start by placing your honey into a warm saucepan. And today I'm using a creamed honey, and this is because when it cools a little bit, it will actually thicken up a little bit, giving it a real nice texture. To that, I'm going to add in another half a cup of sriracha, and this is where you need to really experiment for yourself, because you may find that a half a cup is a little bit too spicy, and so maybe start with a 1/4 cup or 1/3 of a cup and work your way up from there to your preferred taste. Just gonna stir that around, making sure that it's not burning. To this, I'm gonna take a little bit of soy sauce and I'm gonna add in about 1 tablespoon. Then the last thing I'm gonna do is take a half of a lime and I'm gonna squeeze that into this sauce. And this is just gonna brighten up a little bit. So stir that all together. Once all of our ingredients are together, just go ahead and give it a little taste, just to see what it might be missing for your taste. Maybe you need a little more honey, more sriracha, more lime even, but go ahead and give it a taste. Whew, that's great. It's got a nice blend of honey and sriracha. This is my preferred way to make this sauce. Once our sauce is ready, I'm gonna let it simmer just for 1 or 2 minutes before I remove it from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. So that's how you make that incredibly delicious, sticky honey sriracha sauce for your next feast. Hey, if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.